This is Anna from Peace and Grace Insurance Services. I wanted to talk today about the difference between an HMO plan, a PPO plan, or an EPO plan. It's very important to understand the differences and how your plan will work, especially when you need to use it. So I'm going to take you here to my computer screen. Hopefully I can figure this out. Okay, so here we are comparing three different bronze plans, one that is an HMO plan, one that's an EPO, and one that's a PPO by different insurance carriers. Now notice the plan itself, that will not have any differences as far as the deductibles and the co-payments. The numbers across the board are the same, but the difference would be in this HMO, EPO, or PPO portion of the plan. That will make the plan work slightly different. So for the HMO plan, it's basically requires you to have a primary care physician. You have to choose a primary care physician. You need to see your primary care physician and get a referral to see a specialist. You cannot go see a specialist without a referral from your primary care physician. They use that to control the medical costs, or they call them the gatekeepers, to keep the medical costs down. The opposite of that is a PPO plan. You get to choose your doctor. You can have a primary care physician if you want, or choose not to have one. And you don't need to see your primary care physician and get a referral to see a specialist. You do not need that. You can just simply go see the specialist. Now, with the PPO plan, or Preferred Provider Organization, you could see the specialist or the doctor of your choice. However, if you choose a doctor from their network, usually the plan will work better. You will pay lesser co-payments. In this case, for example, here with the Blue Shield, if you go out of the doctor, if you go out of their network, usually you pay 50% of the cost. Different plans work slightly different, but usually the plan will work better if you choose a doctor from their network. Now, the EPO plan is kind of the hybrid between the two. You do not need a referral from the primary care physician to see a specialist, but if you go out of network, they don't pay. So the specialist that you see has to be in network. So you have here the HMO plan, or Health Maintenance Organization. You have to have a PCP. You need a referral to see your specialist. The PPO, or the Preferred Provider Organization, you do not need a referral to see a specialist, and you get to choose any specialist you want. However, the plan will work better if you choose one from their network. And the third one is the EPO, or the Exclusive Provider Network, which means you don't need to have a referral to see a specialist, but your specialist must be in network, otherwise they don't pay. I hope that clarifies it and helps you understand your plan a little bit better. If you have any questions, please post them below the video, and we'll be happy to answer it in future videos. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.